If there were no death, there would be no hurry. And if there were no hurry, would you still be chasing love? This video is about what we search and what we shouldn't. There is something deeply human about searching. We search for answers, meaning, direction, and ourselves. But there are two things we obsess over these in a wrong way: love and death. We either chase one desperately and avoid other completely, and in doing so, we forget how to live. We grow up believing that we must find love as if it is missing, late, or waiting somewhere outside of us, and time is running out, so we hurry. We hurry into relationship, attachments, emotional promises that we don't understand fully, not because we are ready, but because we are afraid. Afraid of being left behind, afraid of being alone, afraid that time will run out before love arrives. But here the uncomfortable truth: the more you run after love, the less capable you become of receiving it, because love is not something that responds to urgency. It responds to presence. Philosophers have always warned us about this. When love becomes a goal, it turns into anxiety. When relationship become a solution, it turns into burden. We don't meet as the person as they are. We meet them as a solution, as a need. Someone to fill the silence, to give meaning, to slow the fear of time. And then love can't survive when it asked to save us. At the same time, we treat death as if it doesn't exist. We avoid the thoughts of it, we push it away, and live the life as if tomorrow is guaranteed. But look at closely how we live. We always in hurry, late, rushed, anxious. Why? Because deep down we know time is limited, even if we don't say it out loud. Our body knows it, the mind knows it, the subtle pressure you feel, the constant sense that life is moving too fast. This is not modern stress, this is mortality. Think about this for a moment. If there were no death, there would be no hurry, no urgency, no deadline, no pressure to become something. Time would lose its meaning, as if life is unlimited, and moments will lose their value too. If existence were endless, nothing would feel precious. We would be infinite like space, vast but empty. But that is not our reality. Our reality is limited. And limitation is not cruelty. This is what gives life weight. Death creates time, and time creates meaning. Because life ends and choices matter. Because people live but love matter. Because moment pass but presence matter. Without death, everything will be postponed forever. And postponement is quite enemy of life. Here is the paradox that we live in. We chase love as if time is running out, and we ignore life as if time is unlimited. We reverse what truly matters. Life and death will find their own ways. They do not need pursued. But life demand attention. Spiritualism understand this deeply. They never encouraged the obsession of romance. They encouraged wholeness. They never encouraged the fear of death. They encouraged remembrance, not panic, not obsession, but remembrance. A gentle awareness that says, this time will pass, so be here. When you truly accept death, you stop staying where you are unseen. You stop wasting time on shallow things. You stop procrastinating. You stop waiting for perfect time. Not because you are fearless, but because you have clarity. And clarity is calmer than hope. When you stop chasing love, something equally powerfully happens. You stop bending yourself to fit in. You stop shrinking yourself to be kept. You stop rushing intimacy. You build a life instead. A mind worth living in. A body that you respect. A purpose that doesn't depend on something staying. And from that fulfillment, love arrives naturally. not as urgency, not as rescue, but as meeting. This is the deeper philosophy. Love and death are certainties. Life is the question. So, why spend your limited time running after what is guaranteed and neglecting what is fragile? And why make love anxious and life passive? You don't need to search for love, you need to become someone who can hold it when love arrives. You don't need to fear from death. You need to live a life in a way that makes peace with it because death only frightened the unlived. We are late sometimes, not because time is cruel, but because time is honest and it reminds us that there is an end. So instead of panicking, we need to listen to what truly matters. Maybe wisdom is simple but not easy. So search for depth, truth, and presence. And let the love come when it's time, and let the death arrive when it's time. So until then, live life fully as if you have unlimited time in a limited life. And yeah, if you like this video, please share and subscribe this YouTube channel. And if you have views on this topic, I would gladly like to hear from you. Write your views in the comment section. I'll meet you tomorrow. Bye bye. Signing off, Meenakshi Chaudhary.